Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cecelia O, and in today's video I'll be sharing with us a recipe on how to make berry fruit muffin, carrot coconut muffin, and lastly vegetable muffins. So in today's video, I'll be teaching us how to make 3 types of cakes: berry fruit muffin, carrot coconut muffin, and vegetable muffin. And for today's 3 types of muffins that I'll be making, there are some common ingredients that I'll be adding. But let me introduce you to the ingredients I'll be using for today's video's recipe. So for today's video, for the recipe, I'll be using the following ingredients. I have butter here. I'll be using raspberry. I'll be using blueberries. And I'll be using these 2 ingredients for the berry muffins. And I have some milk here, my sugar, the vanilla extract, baking powder, the flour that I'll be using for the baking, also coconut oil to spray my pan, and I have some eggs here. I'll actually be using 4 eggs for each of those baking. I have some green peas here. I have coconuts. I have carrots. I have avocado. I have asparagus. I have spinach. I have cranberries. So to make those 3 types of muffins, I'll be adding coconut to all the muffins. And I'll also be adding the cranberries on the cake. So for today's recipe, I'm making 3 types of muffins: berry fruit muffins, coconut carrot muffin, and lastly, I'm making vegetable coconut muffin. Let's dive in. I really appreciate your time, and I don't take this for granted. I love you all. Let's dive in. So I'm making the carrot coconut muffins, and I'm blending all the ingredients together now. So I'm adding the carrots first. So I added the carrots. Oh my God. So I'm also adding the butter, keep in mind I'm making carrot coconut muffin, and this is actually safe for all ages. So the next thing I'll be adding sugar. I'm using half cup of sugar. Also, I'll be adding milk. And I'll be adding 4 eggs. So I'm using 4 eggs. And the quantity of egg you're using depending on how soft you want your muffin to be. I'm using 4 eggs. So the next thing I'll be adding, I'm adding vegetable oil. I'm using 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. So I'll be blending all my ingredients. So I'm blending all the ingredients. Keep in mind I'm making carrot coconut muffins. And in this blender, I have carrots, I have eggs, I have butter, I have milk, I also have sugar, and I'm blending everything together now. So I have the blended carrots, coconut muffin ingredients. I have everything blended, ready to go. So I'll be adding some vanilla extract just to give this a very good smell. I added the vanilla extract to give it a very good smell. So I'll be adding the coconut flakes. And I'm adding cranberries. Keep in mind I'm making carrot coconut muffins. So now I have the flour. In this flour, I already added the baking powder. So I'll go ahead and add this flour. And keep in mind I'm making carrot coconut muffin. And this is safe for all ages. And it's loaded with a lot of nutrients and vitamins that our body needs to grow, to glow. And this muffin is actually good for people that want to lose weight. So this is carrot coconut muffin. So, and this is ready. All I need to do is to portion it into the pan, the baking pan, and I'll bake for 30 minutes. So the carrot coconut muffin is ready, and this is very good, loaded with a lot of vitamins and nutrients. So I'm making carrot coconut muffin. Carrot coconut muffin.